Brains Hospital is putting all its effort to create awareness about the head injury in the month of March, and the Golden Hour Academy, an initiative of Brains, is trying to teach the first aid, the CPR for those people who are at life risk on the road, similarly assessing them with an ABCDE, and then helping them to shift them to the hospital safely, what is called assisted and safe transportation. Everyone thinks the treatment should begin in the hospital, which is not true. The treatment should begin right from the scene, and a person should be brought to the hospital in a right form, in the right way, so that the doctors in the hospital can take over and use all the technology, skill, everything possible to make him come back as normal as possible. The longer we delay, the more are the complications. It's unlikely he is going to recover fully, despite all the advancements in medicine that exist today. So the first hour after the accident is called the golden hour, and this is the crucial time. If you act in the golden hour in the right way, we can reduce the death rate, we can reduce the disability, we can reduce the complications, we can reduce the hospital stay, we can reduce the hospital expenses. At the same time, we can also improve the quality of life. The person can come back as a normal individual and be back in the society as a normal individual. In addition, apart from knowing the first aid, if you do not know the first aid, at least you can be a good Samaritan, that make sure that he is safe, call for an ambulance. If he knows the phone number or something, try to call for a help, either the family or friends. Try to protect his belongings. Don't allow the mob to come around and mob him around and causing more problem. People do steal, unfortunately, things. Protect his belongings and wait till the ambulance comes. And once the ambulance comes, hand over the injured individual to the ambulance crew, and you are doing a wonderful service as well. At the same time, there are three important things that one should not do. That is pouring water into the mouth of an unconscious person, because he will not be in a position to swallow properly. The water can go into the lungs and can stop the breathing instantly. Number one. Leaving the injured unattended itself is a kind of a negligence. Please do not do that. Just stop that. And do not lift individual without assistance, because there can be hidden spinal injuries, so that can become a complicated injury by doing that. So the three important things is: do not pour water into the mouth, do not leave him unattended, do not lift the individual unassisted till the ambulance comes. Once the ambulance comes, if you can help him to get shifted to the hospital, and you can be a real good Samaritan.